sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's a win-win situation.
We are fighting
Go
for
America,
Anioma
go
and
New York. Are they not the same thing? Go America, go New York. Not be the same thing.
Yes.
Thank you, everyone. At this point, I believe the government house can hear us. We are here to address our government. At least for the now, the Delta State government is our government. So we need someone to receive the letter for the Executive Governor, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborowere. Please, we are here at the gate of the Delta State Government House. Please, we need someone. You can hear us. Thank you and God bless you. Are we here? Are you sure? Are you sure? They won't it.
Open them, I beg. Open them.
You go free for here. I know if you put this thing, oh my phone.
You get closer.
Don't worry, you have to know go finish.
Hello, sound check, 1, 2. Sound check, 1, 2. Hello. Sound check, 1, 2. Hello. Yeah.
Raise your banner, raise your banner.
Okay, His Excellency, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborowere, the Executive Governor of Delta State, ably represented here by a senior government official here, the Chief of Staff. Okay, thank you, sir. We are a coalition of Anioma youth, in the Anioma, drawn from the 9 local government areas of Delta State, specifically Delta North. We are also joined here by our Igbo brothers, the Cat-speaking part of those states, the Banker community, Iru, and several other communities that are Ika-speaking. We are here because it's no longer news that the agitation for Anioma has been on. The recent agitation per se has been on. And we are here to register our support, to tell not just the world watching us now, but to register our agitation to His Excellency, because we believe that irrespective of the constitutional role given to governors, as far as state creation is concerned, we know that governors play vital political role. So we are here to say, Your Excellency, we, your people, we have decided to say our association with Delta State, which began far ago. Our association has been on since the Western region. Our association has been on, it moved to the Midwest region, to Bender State, and to Delta State. For over 30 years, we have been with Delta. And we are ancestrally, culturally, and linguistically Igbo people. There is no doubt about it. Because everywhere we go to, our name gives us out. Our language gives us out. Our mannerism gives us out. So we can no longer pretend as though we are not Igbos. We here have affirmed our collective Igbo identity. And we have come to say, support us. Your Excellency, support us to have our own state. It is a win-win. His Excellency being an honorable man, when Anioma is achieved, Asaba, that is currently the capital of Delta State will no longer be the capital of Delta State. His Excellency has the choice to either choose between Urele, Sapele, Warri, any other place to be the capital of Delta State. It's a win-win for us. It is indeed a win-win. And we are here to say His Excellency support us. And not just that, we want to use opportunity to call on our brothers and sisters across the Niger, every single stakeholders. We often say in Igbo language, Igbo Bofun, we are all Igbos. Irrespective of political balkanization, we are all Igbos. And we are saying to all stakeholders across the Niger, everyone watching us, we are saying thank you for supporting us thus far. Continue to support us because we want to be reunited with our kith and kin across the Niger. That has always been the dream of our ancestors, and that is our dream. Thank you so much. God bless you.
All right, I want to speak, Your Excellency, all protocols duly observed. I want to speak on behalf of the youths. You can see that today's event is predominantly 90% youth, and the youths are now more united than ever. We want Anioma State to be created and zoned to the southeast. By names and cultural affiliation, we are all Igbos, and we are happy to unite this time around with our Igbo brothers across the Niger. So we are using this opportunity to speak to also His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to please support this agitation, the bill at the Senate for the creation of Anioma State and to the zone to the southeast. For we are happy, we are more happy to be united with our brothers across the Niger and the capital zone also to Asaba. Asaba should be and will always remain the capital of Anioma State. Thank you, sir, and God bless you.
Your Excellency, thank you, sir. Second time of seeing you. Ndị Anioma ekene m unu. Ndị Ike ekene m unu. Ndị Ndokwa ekene m unu. Osimiri ekene m unu. Igbaki ekele m unu. Awari ụzọ ekele m unu. Awali ire ekele m unu. Ndị na-asụbi ekele m unu. Today, anyị na-ebe a iji wee kọwalị ụwa our aspiration. Our forefathers has fought to have this Anioma. It was first defeated by Benden and Midwest. Today, we have a chance to get that state back to us. Let every propaganda be lie low. This is not politics. We are not standing for any political party. We are standing on solely on the indigenous. We are indigenous, Anioma indigenous. And we know it is our right. If the state is given, so many things will come to us positively. Imagine, so many things will come, more local government, state will be managed by us. No Anambra man will come to Anioma to contest for governorship. No Imo State man will come to Anioma for local government chairman. It is all for Anioma people. So what we are saying is that let us still use this opportunity to reach out to our brothers. So I want to say this, we have seated on several meetings. Our state house representative of the 9 local government, the local government chairman, they've always played a role of absent. In all the meeting, I only see them once when we had the first gathering at Grand Hotel. And it is quite unfortunate that most of them are now bringing us signatory to oppose some of the things that we are clamoring for without consulting the people they are representing. It is an error. It is an error. We are using this opportunity to tell them, let them put their house in order, irrespective or regardless of their political differences or whatsoever. Our interest as a people should matter to them most, not their personal ambition. If Nigeria is a place where laws work, we know what to do. But for now, we are not fighting anybody. We want them to take our grievances, our plea, our petitions. Let them take it serious. They should work with us. They should work with the people. Their role is not ended in government house. Their role is not ended in a National Assembly. After then, you come back. We give you message, you take it back to the house where it will be deliberated. Coming out to issue a communique why you did not consult the people is an error. We want them to use this medium to reverse it so that we can, proudly call them our own. For now, I am taking out honorable from their name. Yes, until they do what is right, we will not add that honor because it is when you did what is just and right to your people, you end that honor from them. Until they do what is right, that honor is absent in their name. Yes. This is all I want to say. Thank you, sir.
Your Excellency, sir. Yes. Anioma Dimma. Anioma Kweli. Ibaki Kweli. Your Excellency, AB represented by the Chief of Staff. I am here representing the people of Ibanki. Ibanki is 6 autonomous kingdoms wrongly bounded in Edo State in 1991. There is a natural boundary that bounded us out of Edo State, but out of some political chief, we were placed under Edo State. Today, we are supporting the creation of a Anioma State under Southeast political zone. Thank you. We have submitted our memoranda during the public hearing at Enugu State, Akwa Ibom State, and Bayelsa State. And our memorandum is very clear that we don't want to be in Edo State anymore. Yes. We don't have any affinity when it comes to names, language, culture, trade, or whatever. Our local government, which is Urionwo, we don't have access to it. Before we can access our local government, we have to pass through 2 different local governments, which is Ihuode local government in Edo State and Agbo, a cast out in Edo State. We can't continue to do this. The rate of marginalization from the state is much because why? We are a car people, and when we go to Benin or any Edo place, they call us Owika and Owigbo. Yes. Now we have stand and come to say yes, we are answering that name, Owigbo and Owika, because we are joining our kids and kids in Anioma State. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, on behalf of the organizers of this peaceful rally, we have a letter for His Excellency, and we pray you to receive it on his behalf. Thank you so much.
Come back a little. Come back a little.
Okay. Before I respond, let me talk about the condition that you have presented in the community. So after work, we will proceed to my office so that we get a properly acknowledged copy. First, I want to welcome you to Government House, your seat of government. I have listened to your very kind words in the course of your presentation. You refer to this government as your government. Yes. You refer to the governor as your own governor, because you were all part of the making of this government, of this administration. So we are quite happy and excited. Most especially as well, we want to thank you for your peaceful disposition. Yeah, because I have been informed of your presence here, and the governor as well, when he detailed that, of course, I should come and listen and attend to you people. I have listened very carefully to all your presentation, and I don't think that there is anything that is quite amiss from all your dispositions. The scripture was very clear that even our earthly father there is no child that will ask for bread, then the father will go and give him stone, or that we give order for fish, then we give serpent or scorpion. So the issue of this creation of Anioma state, I have addressed some other demonstrators who were here. And if all of you are in unison as to what Anioma you desire, particularly your kids and kin who are in Ibanke, in Edo State, and other persons here who are pro Anioma creation, I do not think that there may be any dissenting or opposition voice now. The process of state creation are well spelled out in our constitution. What the governor will simply do is to wait, because there are still procedures. As long as you have sent your petitions, your memorandums to the National Assembly, and they have been considered, there are normal procedures which will include, of course, carrying out a referendum within this area, all these enclave, the 9 local government of Anyosha South, Anyosha North, Oshimili South, Oshimili North, Ika South, Ika Northeast, then Ukwane, Ndokwa East and Ndokwa West. The moment they do conduct a referendum in all these places, including part of those states that house the Ibanke people, and majority of you people say we want Anioma, so be it. I do not think that your amiable governor will oppose to whatever decision you people are taking as at that point. Abi? Yes. So I want to assure all of you that your governor, your amiable governor, the governor you love so much, who is working. Abi? Yes. Absolutely. So he has not in any manner, is not opposed to whatever your wish will be. There is just no cause to it. What is left, like I said too, if you said you want to be with your people, your kids and kin across the Niger, it's your own wish as well. Yes, provided a majority of you, that is what you have agreed upon. Yes. So I want to say thank you so much for coming around. You must continue to maintain this very peaceful disposition as you pursue this agenda of Anioma State. Thank you so much, and may God bless us all.
Thank you. Gunaka.
And I want to use this opportunity to address my Igbo elders and brothers across the 5 Southeast states. We have been agitating for Igbo unification for quite a long time, because we believe that ancestrally, culturally, and linguistically, we are Igbos, irrespective of those minority who do not appreciate their identity. We are Igbo. Yeah. There is no doubt about our identity.
All right, Gopa, Womaba, we still all me, man. And you're in one now. Then your money, okay, you bank stand the benefit to me, and you buy your master, because a lot of us seems by this time we get money. Very good. On our money, they tell the Leonda Edo State since 1991. Here you are, you're just 2 political wards, meaning just 2 councillors. and there is no impact a councillor can bring to as big as the bank is. One impact we take away. Anioma no, very good. But I buy Anioma today is not going to be so. I can wear our local government. I can wear our chairman of local government. I can wear our House of Assembly member. I can wear our commissioner. I can wear our representative, both at the state and local government. Ibaki will now be represented at the federal level, not just in Oriowa local government anymore. Because in Oriowa local government, we don't share any boundary with them. We are not Edo people. LND Edo. Wundi Anioma, Anija Edo State to the Ndi Kwakbeni, Wika or Wiko, Kilikomini, Ndibo, on the Kabi. Now after calling us Ndibo, Lendika, Oroga Egisnoke, Naibio Munani, is Yachosone? Is Yachosone? One, Ibaki Keku, Anioma.
Yes,
all right. Some group of persons, Resomale, Bagle Kuni, Anyachone, Anioma. A local king went in the old land, woman, very good. I am on the old. I am on the way. I actually know power fan, but you learn them channel power selfish politicians because of penny kobo welling in Edo State. What do men know who here? I'm a Anioma who Anweni who can look at me market, who can wear development in market. Only hospital in where today were 1960s. Oh, no, see, you were off your brother. Okay, chocolate in Edo State. In Edo State. In your way, chocolate, by Anioma, ni back is already developed. In your way, chocolate, by Anioma, ni back is all by into the federal name. Okay, chocolate. Thank you.
Akweno, Anioma Akweno.
I'm an Okwaneman. When I step out of Okwaneman, whoever is going to see me will not remember, will not know I'm an Okwaneman. I'm going to be addressed as one Igbo man. The moment they see G in my name, I become automatically an Igbo man. And that is my identity. I am proud of it.
Good afternoon. Please, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Chief Ifani Chukwu Emremos, popularly known as Rich K. Yeah.
Are you from where, sir?
I am from Anioma, precisely from Ndokwa West, Abe.
So can you tell us what we are doing here today?
Yes, what we are doing here today is a peaceful demonstration where Anioma people have come together to register their petition, to register their concern for the creation of Anioma State. That is why we are here, to let the government of Delta State know what we are agitating.
There's an issue, there's a lot of, or is it few that are online trying to say that local nations are not Igbos. And I think that's the bone of contention why they need an Anioma State zone to south-south, not zone to south-east. But you are here to say we are going to south-east. Are you now affirming that you are Igbo?
That is a practical lie. Any Ndokwa man that says it's not an Igbo is lying. Because from all angles, Ndokwa people are predominantly Igbo people. For me, my community, Abi, was founded by Amacha. Amacha came from Achala in Anambra State. So definitely, same thing with Umukwata. Okwata is a founder of Umukwata. He's a brother to Amacha, who founded Abi. Today, Abi is in Ndokwa West. Umukwata is in Okwane local government. That is to show you and to tell you that we are Igbo people. There is no doubt about that. So it is only the political few who are afraid that they might lose power should Anioma State be created. They are the ones fighting and bringing propaganda to say we are not Igbos, therefore we cannot be in Southeast. But they forget to know that we were not, or we are not Urobo people, and we are not Ijo people, that we are in South-South. Thank you.
So, what will you tell our Southeastern brothers?
Well, I know our people from Southeast, I know they love us so much. Apart from those political few too that are trying to sabotage the effort. But I call on all our brothers in the Southeast to please give total support for the creation of Anioma State so that we can be reunited, so that this issue of identity crisis will come to an end. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir.